Hibiscus hairspray is amazing for hair growth. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply the hibiscus power spray, like I would call it, on your hair, your edges, whatever. Just stay tuned. And for those of you that have not watched the tutorial on how I made this hairspray, just click the link in the description box, or you click the card I'll be placing in this video. So this is our hibiscus hairspray. Hibiscus is known to promote healthy hair growth. I discovered this, and since then it has been amazing. It is soothing on the scalp. It will help to promote healthy growth. So what I do is I spray on both the scalp and the hair strand so that my hair strand will be strengthened. So you can do the same. Just watch this video. There are 3 basic steps for you to get the most out of this particular mixture. You don't want to miss it. Don't skip to the end, and don't skip the first 2 steps, and don't skip the last step. Every step is important. So the first thing is you would actually spray this mixture on your hair, especially your scalp, because obviously growth comes from the scalp. So you focus mainly on your scalp in the first step, right? When you know that your scalp is saturated with this mixture, you will now go further to spray it on your hair strand. Now, one thing about this mixture is it is very soothing. You would not feel any sting, any sensation, any itchiness whatsoever. I have posted the ingredients on my page. Ensure that you watch it so that you would understand way better on how you can make yours. So this is just me spraying all around my hair. Ensure your scalp is fully coated with this mixture. If you notice, once I actually spray the mixture, I go ahead to massage. Massaging products into your scalp would help it to sink better, to absorb better. So whenever you spray this mixture, always try to massage your scalp. And also, massaging promotes healthy blood flow, which will promote hair growth. So it is a win-win situation. Massaging helps absorption and also blood flow for stimulating hair growth. So if you notice in this part of the video, I'm actually focusing on my edges. So this particular mixture would help to grow out your edges. So many people have actually lost their edges due to tension, from tight hairstyles to doing hairstyles that are not suitable for them, to causing a lot of issues, right? So this would actually help to restore your edges in due time, but you need to be extremely patient, because like we know, the edge line does not grow way fast like other part of our hair, right? So you need to be extremely patient. But this particular hairspray is very, very good. Just invest in it and see how it goes moving on. As you can see, I'm pressing in the product to the hair strands. So you need to equally do the same. That is why I said watch the video to the end, so that you will not miss any step, because it is one thing to focus on your scalp, another thing to focus on your hair strands. But the thing is, on your hair strand, don't put way too much product. Because if you remember, we actually infuse clove into this mixture, and cloves have drying effects, so you need to do it at minimal. Moving on, I try to moisturize my hair with a leave-in conditioner. Like I earlier stated, cloves included has drying effect, so we need to moisturize our hair so that we avoid breakage, right? It is one thing to stimulate hair growth, and it's another thing to prevent or avoid hair breakage. If you can successfully do these things correctly, then you are good to go. So I use my leave-in conditioner as per usual, and this is just me massaging the products into every strand of my hair and also my scalp and whatnot. Moving on, you need to seal in the moisture. So having sprayed the hibiscus hairspray, I haven't applied leave-in conditioner, you need to seal in the moisture with oil. So I'm using the Moroccan argan oil to seal in the moisture that I've previously applied on my hair. So this is the 3rd and last step in this whole procedure. This will help you to retain everything you have applied on your hair, and it will help the hibiscus hairspray to penetrate and do its job, right? So this is just me ensuring that my hair is fully coated and all the products absorb very well. So ensure that you put in oil that is enough to seal in the moisture.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole.
Can you see how fully coated my hair actually looks? It is shiny, it is well moisturized, and voila, I'll just leave this for the hibiscus to do it. I'll see you in my next. Ensure you like, share, subscribe. So this is how you actually apply the hibiscus power spray on your hair for massive hair growth. Follow the exact steps I used, and if you know that you've not watched a tutorial on how to make this awesome hair tonic, right, check my page. The link would be in the description box and also at the end screen, so that you can watch it and make this for yourself and also apply on your hair. You can use this 4 to 5 times weekly. Don't forget to moisturize like you see me do, and don't forget to seal in the moisture.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.